Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with Health Optima. We all know that eating healthy is important, but as we get older, our nutritional needs change. Eating the right foods can make a huge difference in keeping your body strong, your mind sharp, and your energy levels high. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 of the best foods you should be eating to support heart health, brain function, digestion, and overall longevity. Stick around because number one is one of the most powerful foods you can add to your diet right now, and trust me, you're going to love it. Let's dive in. Alright, kicking off our list at number one is dark chocolate. This isn't just any chocolate, we're talking about the rich, intense kind that's loaded with health benefits. We're not talking about the sugary, milky kind here. No, this is the real deal, the kind that's often a bit more bitter but oh so good for you. I'm talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. The higher the cocoa content, the better it is for your health. This stuff is packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off damage in the body. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. Dark chocolate, specifically the flavonoids it contains, can help improve blood flow and even boost cognitive function. These flavonoids are known to support the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. That means a healthier heart and a sharper mind. Imagine enjoying a treat that's not only delicious but also supports your overall well-being. And there's more. Dark chocolate can actually lift your mood. It stimulates the production of endorphins, the chemicals in the brain that create feelings of pleasure. A small square a day is all you need to reap the benefits. Just a tiny piece can make a big difference in your health. Now, who's ready for a healthy excuse to enjoy some chocolate? It's a tasty way to take care of yourself. Let me know in the comments if you're already a dark chocolate fan. Share your favorite brands and recipes too. Next up, we have avocados, a personal favorite of mine. They're not just trendy, they're incredibly nutritious, especially for seniors. Avocados are packed with healthy, monounsaturated fats that support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. They are a great source of potassium, even more than bananas, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. They contain fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly in your gut. You can slice them up on salads, mash them on whole grain toast, or add them to smoothies for a creamy texture. So, don't be shy with the avocados. Incorporate them into your diet and experience the delicious benefits for yourself. Let's move on to another powerhouse duo, beans and lentils. These little legumes are nutritional superstars, especially for seniors. Their high fiber content helps regulate how your body absorbs sugar, which is incredibly important for preventing and managing diabetes. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and even helping lower cholesterol levels. They're also a fantastic plant-based protein source, crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Add lentils to soups and stews, toss beans into salads, or make a big batch of vegetarian chili. Beans and lentils are pantry staples that should be a part of everyone's diet, especially seniors. Next up is a food that often gets a bad rap, but is actually incredibly healthy, especially for seniors: eggs. Despite some misconceptions, eggs are a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health as we age. They are versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways to suit different tastes and dietary needs. One of the most important nutrients found in eggs is choline, crucial for brain health, supporting memory and cognitive function. Choline helps in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in learning and memory. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength. This is particularly important for seniors, as muscle mass tends to decrease with age. Eggs also provide vitamin D, crucial for bone health, helping our bodies absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. This can help prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Enjoy them scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelette loaded with veggies for a nutrient-packed meal. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be included in any meal of the day, from breakfast to dinner. So, don't overlook this simple yet powerful food. Incorporate eggs into your diet to reap their numerous health benefits and enjoy their delicious taste. Let's move on to another dietary staple that should be a part of everyone's diet, especially seniors: whole grains. I'm talking about oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread. These grains are packed with nutrients, especially fiber, which is crucial for maintaining good health as we age. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps things moving smoothly. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and can help lower cholesterol levels. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Swap white rice for quinoa or brown rice, and choose whole grain bread over white bread. Whole grains are a simple and delicious way to boost your health. Up next is a delicious and versatile food that's often touted as a superfood: Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is significantly higher in protein than regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for maintaining muscle mass and strength. It's also an excellent source of calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones. Greek yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Add your own sweetness with fresh fruit, honey, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Greek yogurt also makes a delicious base for smoothies, dips, and sauces. Let's move on to another group of nutritional powerhouses: nuts and seeds. These bite-sized wonders are packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent addition to any diet, especially for seniors. Walnuts and flax seeds are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Almonds are a great source of calcium and magnesium, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of fiber and plant-based protein. Enjoy a small handful of nuts as a snack, sprinkle seeds on salads or yogurt, or add them to trail mixes. These crunchy treats are a simple way to boost your health. Next up are those vibrant and delicious gems of the fruit world: berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for seniors looking to boost their health and well-being. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells and keeping us healthy. Berries are particularly beneficial for brain health, improving memory and cognitive function. They can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation. Enjoy berries fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or enjoy them on their own as a healthy and refreshing snack. Let's move on to another type of food that's often touted as a superfood: fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining good health as we age. Omega-3s have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of blood clots. They are essential for cognitive function, memory, and mood. Fatty fish is also a good source of vitamin D, crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or even enjoy it canned. Finally, let's talk about leafy greens, those nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple in everyone's diet, especially seniors. These vibrant vegetables are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile, making them easy to incorporate into a variety of meals. I'm talking about spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. Each of these greens brings its own unique set of nutrients and flavors to the table. These greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for maintaining good health as we age. They help fight inflammation and support the immune system. Leafy greens are an excellent source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. This vitamin is crucial for preventing excessive bleeding and ensuring that our bones remain strong and healthy. They are also a good source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, important for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. These minerals work together to keep our bones strong and our muscles functioning properly. Enjoy them raw in salads, add them to smoothies, or blend them into juices for a nutrient-packed drink. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a quick and tasty side dish, or even add them to soups and stews to enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Leafy greens are a simple way to boost your health. Incorporate them into your daily diet and enjoy the numerous benefits they offer for your overall well-being. So, there you have it, my top 10 superfoods for seniors. If you're enjoying these health tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to stay strong and healthy as you age. Also, let us know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat? Remember, eating well doesn't have to be complicated. By including these 10 powerhouse foods in your diet, you can improve your energy, protect your heart, and feel your best every day. Small changes can make a big difference. Start adding these to your meals today, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.